हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू सक्सेस सीरीज एजुकेशन। आज के सेशन में हम इस हफ्ते के करंट अफेयर्स और जीके के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे और हम कवर करेंगे 2 से 8 अप्रैल 2024 के इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस फॉर योर कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स। तो चलिए सेशन शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन है, द सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑन अप्रैल 2 endorsed the sweeping powers of the enforcement directorate, saying the central agency could call anybody for any information, even as it castigated 4 dash district collectors for failing to appear in person in response to a summons issued to them by the anti money laundering body। तो ये जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर्स हैं जिन्हें समन किया गया वो थे तमिलनाडु स्टेट से, और उन्हें इसलिए बुलाया गया क्योंकि उन्होंने इन्फोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट का जो ऑर्डर था टू अपीयर इन पर्सन रिगार्डिंग द एंटी मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग केस वो उन्होंने ऑनर नहीं किया। Let us move to the next question. The Ministry of Skills Development and Entrepreneurship is setting up the Dash Bank of Credit for implementation of the National Credit Framework as envisaged under the National Education Policy 220। So इसका आंसर है Academic Bank of Credit। इसे ABC भी कहा जाता है। Under ABC, every student or learner will have an academic bank or credit account which will be opened and operated by the student through a unique automated permanent academic account registry, जिसका short form है APAAR। इसका एम है टू रिमूव डिस्टिंक्शन बिटवीन सब्जेक्ट्स एंड एस्टैब्लिश एकेडमिक इक्विवेलेंस बिटवीन वोकेशनल एंड जनरल एजुकेशन while establishing mobility between and within them. Now the next question, under the National Education Policy 2020, NSQF is National Skill Dash Framework Qualification, National Skill Qualification Framework. The next question, the Army has begun the induction of Dash Command and Control Systems to enhance operational efficiency of its air defense mechanism. So इसका पूरा नाम है आकाश तीर कमांड एंड कंट्रोल सिस्टम। It is a project developed by Bharat Electronics Limited, that is BEL. It is the flagging off of the first batch of control centers was from BEL Ghaziabad on the 4th of April. Now we see the next question. Indian Air Force aircraft recently operated from the emergency landing facility in Kashmir Valley during which exercise? Exercise का नाम है exercise गगन शक्ति 24। Next question. Which exercise involving all maritime security agencies of India was conducted off the Lakshadweep Islands from April 1 to 2? Answer is Sagar Kavach. The next question. The Supreme Court on 4th of April restored the scheduled caste certificate of sitting Dash MP Navneet Kaur Rana. So she is the sitting MP of Amravati. Question number 8. Which actor has been roped in by the Election Commission of India to urge youngsters to vote in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections? Answer is Ayushmann Khurrana. Question number 9. What is the length of Kachavivu Island owned by Sri Lanka? Answer is 1.6 km. The next question. The Dash India Sri Lanka Maritime Agreement drew a maritime boundary with Kachatevu in Sri Lankan waters. Answer is 1974. So this treaty agreement was signed in 1974. A maritime boundary agreement between India and Sri Lanka in 1976 bestowed sovereign rights in Dash Bank to India. Answer is Vaj Bank. Now this Kachatevu Island is located at a distance of 14 nautical miles northeast of Rameshwaram on the Tamil Nadu coast and 10.5 nautical miles from Deft Island in Sri Lanka. It is located in the Park Strait. During the British Raj, it was the part of Madras Presidency. In 1921, both India and Sri Lanka claimed this island Kachatevu. So this is a bone of contradiction and differences between both the countries who want to claim this island. Next question is, which state of India is called Zhangnan by China? Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. China has released a fourth list of 30 new names of various places in Arunachal Pradesh amid Beijing's stepped up assertions in recent weeks to re-emphasize its claim over the Indian state of Arunachal Pradesh. Chinese Ministry of Civil Affairs released the fourth list, which has standardized geographical names, and Zhangnan is the Chinese name for Arunachal Pradesh, which Beijing claims as a part of South Tibet. Now we move to the next question. Vice Admiral Mark Hammond came on an official visit to India in April. He is the chief of which country's navy? Answer is Australia. Vice Admiral Mark Hammond is the chief of Royal Australian Navy. He came on an official visit to India from 2nd to 6th of April to bolster bilateral maritime relations between India and Australia. Who is the chief economist of the World Bank Group? Answer is Indermit Gill. The next question, which Indian economist has been appointed by the World Bank Group to serve on the World Bank Group's Economic Advisory Panel? Answer is Rakesh Mohan. President Emeritus and Distinguished Fellow of the Center for Social and Economic Progress, known as CSEP, Rakesh Mohan has been appointed by the World Bank Group to serve on its Economic Advisory Panel, and Ajay Banga has appointed him. Nicholas Stern, I.G. Patel Professor of Economics and Government at the London School of Economics, will head the panel, along with Indermeet Gill as co-chair, Chief Economist of the World Bank Group and Senior Vice President for Development Economics. Now the next question, Shashwat Goenka is from which corporate group? Answer is RTSG Group. The Vice Chairman of Kolkata-based RTSG Group, Shashwat Goenka, is joining the 2024 class of Young Global Leaders of the World Economic Forum. RTSG Group owns Power Utilities, CESC, and Spencer's Retail, among other businesses. Next question is, Darien Jungle is in which continent? Answer is South America. Colombia and Panama are failing to protect the hundreds of thousands of migrants who cross Darien Jungle on their way to the USA. This problem has increased a lot, and this area has become vulnerable to robberies and sexual violence, and Human Rights Watch said in a report published on 3rd April. Our next question, which international treaty aims to eliminate the trade in blood diamonds that help fuel devastating conflicts in Africa? So this treaty is Kimberley Process. Kimberley Process was effected from 2003 after the bloody civil war in Angola, Sierra Leone and Liberia, where diamonds were used by armed groups to fund the conflict. For the first time in history, the plenary meeting of Kimberley Process participants in the year November 2023 failed to produce a consensus communique because of serious differences between Russia and the West. Now our next question, Ecuador police recently entered which country's embassy in capital Quito to arrest an opposition leader who had taken refuge there? Answer is Mexico. Now the name of this man who was to be arrested is Jorge Glass. He is the former Vice President of Mexico. He sought political asylum in the Embassy of Mexico at Ecuador. Mexico said that the arrest of a political leader from the embassy is the violation of Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations. Mexico added that it would take the case to International Court of Justice to denounce Ecuador's responsibility for violations of international law. Tension between the two countries has risen after Mexico president made statements that Ecuador considered very unfortunate about last year's election won by Ecuadorian President Daniel Noboa. In reaction, the Ecuadorian government declared the Mexican ambassador persona non grata. Persona non grata means an unacceptable or unwelcome person. Now our next question, Sheikh Mishal Al Ahmad Al Sabah is the ruler of, answer is Kuwait. Then we see our next question, an Israeli airstrike killed 6 international aid workers of which NGO and their Palestinian driver working in Gaza in April 2024? Answer is World Central Kitchen. World Central Kitchen Food Charity said on the 2nd of April that the 7 killed citizens were of Australia, Poland, United Kingdom and a US-Canada dual citizen. Verkhovna Rada is the parliament in which country? Answer is Ukraine. The next question is, which Asian country was hit by an earthquake on 3rd of April that killed at least 9 people? Answer is Taiwan. Taiwan is located on the Ring of Fire, which is a line of seismic fault encircling the Pacific Ocean, where most of the earthquakes in the world occur. The area is vulnerable to tremblers due to the tension accumulated from the interaction of two tectonic plates, the Philippine Sea Plate and the Eurasian Plate. The region's mountainous landscape magnifies the ground shaking, leading to landslides. Now, this earthquake measured 7.2 on Taiwan's Richter scale. Our next question, International Day for Dash Awareness and Assistance in Dash Action was observed by the UN on April 4. Answer is mine. International Day for Mine Awareness and Assistance in Mine Action. The next question is, the International Day of Reflection on the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi in Rwanda was observed on? Answer is April 7. 7th April marks the start of the 1994 genocide, which lasted for 100-day period up till mid of July 1994. World Autism Awareness Day was observed on? Answer is 2nd of April. Theme for the year 2024 was Empowering Autistic Voices. Question number 27, International Day of Dash was celebrated by UN on April 5. Answer is International Day of Conscience. The next question is, International Day of Sport for Development and Dash was observed on April 6. Answer is Peace. International Day of Sport for Development and Peace. Theme for 2024 is Sport for the Promotion of Peaceful and Inclusive Societies. Our next question, what was the theme of World Health Day observed on April 7? Answer is My Health, My Right. The next question, who is the new president of Slovakia? Answer is Peter Pellegrini. The next question, Judith Suminwa is the first woman Prime Minister of which country? Answer is Democratic Republic of Congo. She is an economist and she takes over as Prime Minister for John Michael Sama Lukonde following Tshisekedi's sweeping re-election as President on December 20. The next question, Maryse Condé died at the age of 90 on April 1 in France. She was a well-known, answer is, novelist. The next question is, Barbara Rush died at the age of 97 in US on March 31. She was well known as, answer is, actress. The next question, the first patient to receive a kidney transplanted from a genetically modified dash on March 21 was discharged from the hospital in Boston on April 3. Answer is pig. So this kidney was transplanted from a genetically modified pig. This operation was conducted on March 21 by a team of surgeons at Massachusetts General Hospital in Boston. This patient, Richard Slyman, is 62-year-old. He has been released from the hospital on 3rd of April. Experts say that the success brings the prospect of xenotransplantation, which is animal to human organ transplant. Our next question, which English newspaper has bagged the title of Green Brand of the Year at IAA Olive Crown Awards 2024 for two initiatives, Unplastic India and Saving Our Stripes? Answer is Times of India. Unplastic India was launched on June 5, that is World Environment Day, to spread awareness against plastic use and also offer green alternatives. Saving Our Stripes was launched to mark the 50th anniversary of Project Tiger, featured not only sustained report on Tiger Reserve, but also a first of its kind Tiger Anthem launched by the Union Environment Minister and praised by PM Modi. Unplastic India bagged 8 awards including 6 gold. Saving Our Stripes bagged 2 awards which are joint golds. Our next question is, Jagdish and Bhagwati and Vijay Kelkar are well known. Answer is economists. TIOL full form is taxindiaonline.com. It has organized a special award ceremony on April 6. where the former President Ramnath Kovind honored eminent Indian American economist and professor of economics and law at Columbia University, Professor Jagdish and Bhagwati, with TIOL Kautilya Global Award 2023. And two policymakers, Dr. Vijay Kelkar, who is the chairman of 13th Finance Commission of India, and N.K. Singh, chairman of 15th Finance Commission of India, have been awarded TIOL Fiscal Heritage Award 2023 for their profound and unparalleled contribution to the field of economics and their impact on policy making. Our next question is, what is the gross domestic product growth forecast for 2024-25 made in RBI's bi-monthly monetary policy released on April 5? Answer is 7%. What is the bank rate after RBI's bi-monthly monetary policy released on April 5? Answer is 6.75%. RBI and NPCI apprised which organization of ways to reduce the cost of cross-border remittance? Answer is World Trade Organization. Canara Bank on April 3 launched healthcare-focused loan product called Dash, which will meet the shortfall in hospitalization expenditure while settling through TPA healthcare insurance claim of self and dependent. Answer is Canara Heal. Next question. Scores. What is the full form of scores? SEBI Complaint Dash System, SEBI Complaint Redress System. Scores will strengthen the investor complaint redress mechanism in the securities market by making the process more efficient through auto-routing, auto-escalation, monitoring by the designated bodies, and reduction of timelines. The next question. Chandrasekhar Ghosh will step down as MD and CEO of which bank upon completion of his tenure? Answer is Bandhan Bank. SAED का full form क्या है? Special Dash Excise Duty, Special Additional Excise Duty. The next question. The Supreme Court on 5th of April has transferred it to itself all pending cases before various high courts challenging the imposition of Dash goods and services tax on online gaming companies. Answer is 28% GST. Dash emerged as the number one state in penetration of electric two-wheelers in the country in financial year 24. Answer is Kerala. Kerala is number one in two-wheeler, electric two-wheeler in the country. And in the category of electric cars, also Kerala is at number one. How much did the government get in selling its stake in public sector companies in year 2023-24? Answer is 16,507 crore rupees. Share sale in Coal India has fetched 4,186 crore, while in NHPC and NLC 2,488 crore and 2,129 crore respectively. Government raised 858 crore through initial public offering of IREDA. Government also sold shares in RVNL, SJVN, IRCON International, HUDCO, and earned remittances from SUTI. The budget had pegged disinvestment process at 51,000 crore rupees. The highest ever mop-up from disinvestment at 1,56 crore rupees was recorded in 2017-18, exceeding the budget target of 1 lakh crore rupees. Government has removed the duty on Kala Namak variety of Dash for export of up to 1,000 tons through 6 specified custom stations. Kala Namak variety of rice. The next question. The Indian economy is projected to grow at Dash in 2024, the World Bank said in its latest South Asia Development Update on 2nd April. Answer is 7.5%. The next question. What were India's foreign exchange reserves during the week ended March 29? Answer is $645.58 billion. The next question is, which was the highest cargo handling major port of the country with 145.38 MMT cargo throughout in FY 2023-24? Answer is Paradeep. The next question is, Dash has launched Phadanisa, an AI-based music learning app? Answer is Saregama. The next question, which e-commerce marketplace has launched its new vertical called Bazaar, featuring low-priced, unbranded fashion and lifestyle products? Answer is Amazon India. Indian companies Dash and Serum Institute of India announced collaboration for global polio eradication. Answer is Bharat Biotech. So Bharat Biotech and Serum Institute of India have collaborated for global polio eradication. Who is the CMD of Anand headquartered National Dairy Development Board? Answer is Minesh Shah. Dash has acquired AI-driven news platform Artifact. Answer is Yahoo. The next one, the National Maritime Day was observed on April 5 to commemorate the maiden voyage by Indian ship SS Loyalty to the UK in which year? Answer is 1919. The next question, what was the theme of the National Maritime Day? Answer is Navigating the Future, Safety First. Which corporate group is the first in India to achieve over 10,000 megawatt of renewable energy capacity? Answer is Adani. Bernard Arnault has topped Forbes' World's Billionaire list for the second consecutive year. He is the owner of which company? Answer is LVMH. Who is India's richest woman according to Forbes' World's Billionaire list? Answer is Savitri Jindal. Radhakrishna Damani is in which sector of Indian economy? Answer is retailing. Net worth is $17.6 billion. The founder and chairman of retail chain Avenue Supermarts Limited, known for its hypermarket chain D-Mart. Dilip Sanghvi is in which sector of Indian economy? Answer is pharma. His net worth is $26.7 billion, founder of Sun Pharmaceuticals. Sirini Pallia is the new CEO and MD of which IT company? Answer is Wipro. Sovereign Investment Fund Chairman Sanjay Nair has taken over as Dash President for 2024-25. Answer is ASSOCHAM. The Dash and Tanpuras of Miraj, a town in Maharashtra's Sangli district known for its craftsmanship in making musical instruments, has been awarded the coveted geographical indication tags. Answer is Sitar and Tanpuras of Miraj. Which article of the Constitution deals with borrowing by states? Answer is Article 293. On 1st of April, the Supreme Court 5-judge Constitution Bench heard a suit filed by the Kerala government raising the issue of the ceiling on net borrowing by states. Which article of the Constitution deals with the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court in any dispute between a centre and states? Answer is Article 131. Who replaced Vishwanathan Anand as the highest ranked Indian in the official FIDE rating list on April 1? Answer is Arjun Erigaisi. Hikaru Nakamura and Wesley Esso are top 10 chess players from which country? Answer is USA. Shiny Wilson won medals for India at the Asian Games in which sport? Answer is athletics. Asian Athletic Commission has nominated 58-year-old Shiny Wilson, a former multiple Asian Games medalist in 400 meter and 800 meter, as one of its members. Bindrayani Devi participates for India in which sport? Answer is weightlifting. Commonwealth Games medalist weightlifter Bindrayani Devi clinched the bronze medal in the women's 55 kg event at the IWF World Cup at Phuket in Thailand on 2nd of April. Competing in a non-Olympic weight class, the 25-year-old lifted a total of 196 kg, 83 kg plus 113 kg to claim the last spot on the podium. The next question, which club won the I-League title football tournament in Shillong on 6th of April? Answer is Mohammedan Sporting. India's Tarun Mannepalli and Anupama emerged the men's and women's champions of the Kazakhstan International Challenge Dash in Ulsk on April 6. Answer is badminton. India's Dash and Chia Yi Stao of Taiwan beat Madeline Brooks and Eunice Wong Chong 6-4, 6-4 in the doubles final of the $40,000 ITF Women's Tennis Tournament in Kashiwa, Japan on 6th April. Answer is Ankita Raina. Which club won the Copa del Rey football title at Barcelona, Spain on 6th of April? Answer is Athletic Bilbao. Who won women's race at the Paris Marathon on April 7? Answer is Mestawut Fikir. Who won the men's race at the Paris Marathon on April 7? Answer is Mulugeta Uma. Who won the Formula 1 Japanese Grand Prix at Suzuka on April 7? Answer is Max Verstappen. Diana Sain Tiwari passed away in Dubai on March 31. She participated for India in Asian Games in athletics. Diana Sain represented the erstwhile Mysore state, for whom she won the long jump gold at the 1957 National Athletics Championship and at the 1958 National Games. She represented India at the 1962 Asian Games in Jakarta and was a torch bearer alongside hockey icon late Balbir Singh Sr. at the 1982 Asian Games in New Delhi. With this, we come to an end of today's session of current affairs questions. Thank you for watching this video. For more useful videos, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.